your Charlie. Hello, Charlie, greetings everyone. Today we are celebrating birthday party. Marcos Peter, Charlie, Gilbert, Marvelous, and your party host, Andrea Arby, and we are, I'm Jen, and welcome to Charlie. Everyone, start up eating, enter everyone. That's right, kids. Come on.
Then everyone, please stand up please. Tayo po tayo lahat. Everyone. Tayo lang po tayo saglit. Lahat po tayo ay tumayo.
Okay, once again everybody, please stand up. Sabay-sabay lang natin i-work, ha? Here, Charlie, together with the mommy and daddy. And of course, together with the brother and sister. And of course, to our celebrant, palapan natin sabay-sabay. I love you, mommy, daddy, brother, sister, and of course, to our celebrant.
Sa Johnny, ilan saya.
Ay, malakas.
Hindi ka muna. Wala po.
Next, sabay, sabay, sabay. Bigyan mo muna siya. Bigyan mo lang ako sa cheese. Bigyan mo muna. Ayun.
Okay, may tayo dyan.
Gandan.
Kindness to you.
Yun! Yun, very good. The next bigyan mo sa cheese.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, yan, bro. Oh, tama.
Dalawa, guys.
Yun! Yun! Very good. Ay, okay.
Go, go, go. Very good.
Okay, once again, thank you so much po sa mga nabigay ng client. Ayan, medyo madami-dami na rin po ito. Maraming salamat po. Yay! Excited! Okay kayo.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, go! Maraming salamat po sa pagbilang ko ay sa natin.
Dito pa nala.
Ayan, okay, ang best friend ni John. Kaya magandang try para ba natin si Happy, say hi ka naman, Happy.
Ayan, hindi kailan na atawa. May dalawang malaking malang laban ay kakaiba. Please welcome, palapan po natin, Jollibee!
Hi, Johnny! Ayan, Happy Friday. Pakilala ko muna kayo kay Mami kay Daddy. Ayan, ito may hair na panahon. Yung